Hi everyone, I'm Brooke from Edrolo, and today I'm going to take you through some of the features in your Edrolo accounts. This includes your standard Edrolo access with your video lessons and practice exams, as well as your textbook access, which has your textbook questions online. So I've jumped into one of the Edrolo textbook courses. As you can see, all of these courses look very much the same, so we'll use this one for today, but it will apply to all of your courses. The first thing you'll notice when you jump into one of your Edrolo courses is that you do have a video lesson available for every topic that you'll be studying throughout the year. So we're going to have a look at what these look like and some of the additional features that you can use within the video lessons. So you'll see that there is a teacher presenter that takes you through all of the content, and you've also got a PowerPoint playing in the background. But the main thing I wanted to focus on is some of these features down the bottom here. These can be a really great way to ensure that you are following along with the video and engaging with the content as you watch. The first one is this download resources button. This just lets you download a copy of the PowerPoint so that you can take your own notes on it and annotate rather than writing down the notes word for word while you try to engage with the content. You've also got this bookmark feature, which allows you to leave a little note on the video saying that you want to watch it again or you're having trouble. This is a great place to keep questions that you might want to ask your teacher, or just to note that you want to come back and revise something again. You've also got your notebook down the bottom here, which allows you to leave notes if you do want to do that online. And then if you pop into the notebook, you'll see that that's there next to the relevant video lesson. The last thing in here that I find really useful when you're watching the video lessons is this self-rating feature. This pops up at the end and it just lets you rate yourself from 1 to 5 based on your understanding of the lesson. A 1 might be if you're really struggling and you know you'll have to chat to your teacher about this particular topic, and a 5 would be if you're super confident and you could teach it to someone else. And the great thing about these ratings is you'll see that when you jump back to your study planner page, they actually pop up next to each of the individual video lessons for you. So this becomes a really good way for you to target topics when you get to your revision periods before assessments or exams, because you can start with all of your 1s and 2s, which will require more time. If you don't have as much time to spend on your 4s and 5s, it's not the end of the world because you feel more confident about those. You'll also see that your bookmarks, which I mentioned before, they're all kept up here in one spot. So you can treat that like a little revision playlist or a question bank for your teacher as well. The other great thing on your Edrolo platform is that all of your textbook questions from your textbook PDF or your hard copy textbook are also online. So if you do want to complete these online, then you can just jump in here and do them. And you'll see that as you go through all of the questions, they'll be marked correct or incorrect for you. And then with majority of the questions, you'll also have a video solution which takes you through all of the components of the answer. This is a really great way for you to get immediate feedback on these questions. Even if you do decide to do them on paper or out of your hard copy textbook, that's fine. But you can always pop online if you're struggling with any of them, or you just want a bit of feedback about your answer without having to wait until your teacher can mark them for you. So that video lesson will walk you through everything that was needed within the answer, as well as things like common mistakes and misconceptions. And once you've done that, you'll see down here you've got a little self-reflection where you can either say that you're feeling quite confident about that question or you need a bit more help. This is a great way to track your progress on particular topics and just see where you need to improve a little bit on certain types of questions as well. And then the last thing on here that I wanted to show you, which is a really great way for you to revise as well once you've done your textbook questions, is just your topic tests, which are available at the end of each of the topics. These are like little practice exams that cover that particular topic. And you can jump into those and either do them online, or if you want to print them out and do them by hand, you can do that and then go to the Get My Results. We'll jump into the online version just to have a look. These aren't designed to take you a huge amount of time. They should be a little bit quicker than a practice exam so that you can just focus on one topic, but you still get that valuable exposure to exam style questions. And then once you've done all of your questions, you'll be taken through to the marking section. Your multiple choice questions will be marked automatically for you, but you've still got that video solution walking you through the answer. And section B is just self-marking, but you do have a video solution, again, breaking it down like your teacher would, as well as a suggested answer and a marking rubric. So it becomes really easy for you to pop in a self-mark for you. And once you've done that, your teacher will be able to see that submission and they can have a look and give you some additional feedback if you require.